Most people believe the Earth is a sphere, spinning through space. However, a growing number of individuals are questioning this accepted truth. They propose an alternative view. The Earth is flat. This idea might seem strange at first, but it has a dedicated following. Flat Earth proponents argue that our planet is not a globe but a flat plane. This disc-like Earth, they believe, has a dome-like structure covering it, often called the firmament. This concept challenges everything we've learned in school and what science tells us. Understanding the reasons behind this belief and the arguments used to support it can be an interesting journey into an unconventional way of thinking. Is there evidence to support this theory? Let's explore the arguments and evidence put forth by Flat Earth proponents. The idea of a flat Earth is not new. In fact, for much of human history it was the prevailing belief. Ancient civilizations often incorporated a flat Earth into their cosmology and worldview. Ancient Egyptians, for example, envisioned the Earth as a flat disk, with the sky held aloft by pillars. Similarly, early Mesopotamian cultures imagined the Earth as a flat, circular landmass surrounded by a cosmic ocean. During the Middle Ages, the flat Earth concept persisted in various forms. It wasn't until the time of the ancient Greeks, with scholars like Pythagoras and Aristotle, that the idea of a spherical Earth began to gain traction. However, even then, the flat Earth model continued to have adherents. It's important to note that the transition from a flat to a spherical Earth model was a gradual process, shaped by observation, philosophical debate, and scientific inquiry. In recent years, the flat Earth theory has experienced a resurgence in popularity, fueled in part by the internet and social media. Modern flat earthers employ a variety of arguments to support their claims. One common argument centers around the lack of visible curvature on the horizon. They argue that if the Earth were truly a sphere, we should be able to observe a noticeable curvature, even from ground level. Another argument relies on personal experience. Flat earthers point to the apparent flatness of the Earth's surface in their everyday lives as evidence against its spherical shape. Furthermore, some question the validity of images and videos from space, suggesting that they are fabricated or manipulated to perpetuate the globe-Earth lie. These arguments, while seemingly convincing to some, often lack scientific rigor and can be easily debunked with basic scientific knowledge and critical thinking. Central to the flat Earth theory is the concept of the firmament. This dome-like structure, according to believers, encloses the Earth and everything on it. Often described as a solid, impenetrable barrier, the firmament plays a crucial role in their cosmology. It acts as a ceiling, separating the Earth from the heavens above. The nature of the firmament varies depending on the specific interpretation. Some envision it as a literal dome made of glass or ice, while others describe it as a more ethereal or spiritual boundary. The firmament is not merely a physical structure in flat Earth theory. It holds profound implications for their understanding of the universe, the nature of reality, and even the existence of space itself. Section 5. Impenetrable barrier. Can anything escape the firmament? One of the most intriguing aspects of the firmament theory is the belief that nothing can penetrate it. This belief stems from the idea that the firmament is an impenetrable barrier, separating the Earth from the heavens above. Flat earthers often point to this as evidence against space travel and the existence of satellites. They argue that if rockets and spacecraft were truly venturing into space, they would be colliding with this solid barrier. The idea of an impenetrable firmament also raises questions about celestial phenomena like meteor showers, which are explained by conventional science as space debris entering the Earth's atmosphere. Flat earthers offer alternative explanations for such events, often suggesting that they are atmospheric phenomena occurring within the confines of the firmament. Section 6. Science Speaks. Debunking the Flat Earth and Firmament. While the flat Earth and firmament theories might seem intriguing, they are fundamentally at odds with centuries of scientific evidence supporting a spherical Earth. Countless observations, experiments, and measurements have confirmed beyond any reasonable doubt that the Earth is indeed a globe. For instance, the curvature of the Earth can be observed in various ways, such as the gradual disappearance of ships' hulls over the horizon, the changing positions of stars depending on latitude, and even the circular shadow cast by the Earth during a lunar eclipse. Moreover, the existence of time zones, the Coriolis effect, and the ability to circumnavigate the globe all provide irrefutable evidence for a spherical Earth. These phenomena simply cannot be adequately explained within the framework of a flat Earth model. Section 7. The power of belief. Why flat Earth persists. Despite overwhelming scientific evidence to the contrary, the flat Earth theory persists, even thriving in the age of information. This begs the question, why do people continue to hold this belief? Several factors contribute to the persistence of the flat Earth theory. One is a distrust of authority, including scientific institutions and government agencies. Some individuals view the flat Earth theory as a form of rebellion against what they perceive as a vast conspiracy to deceive the public. Additionally, the internet and social media have created echo chambers where like-minded individuals can reinforce each other's beliefs, often without exposure to alternative perspectives or critical scrutiny. The human desire for simple explanations, particularly in the face of complex scientific concepts, can also play a role in the appeal of the flat Earth theory. Section 8. Exploring alternative explanations, what we see and why. Flat Earth proponents often cite personal experiences and observations as evidence for their beliefs. However, these experiences can often be explained by basic principles of perspective, optics, and the vast scale of the Earth. For example, the lack of visible curvature on the horizon is simply a matter of perspective and the limitations of human vision. Our eyes can only perceive a limited range of distance, and the Earth's curvature is gradual enough that it becomes imperceptible at ground level. Similarly, the apparent flatness of the Earth's surface in everyday life is due to the immense size of our planet. Compared to the scale of the Earth, even large structures like buildings and mountains appear relatively small, creating the illusion of a flat surface. Section 9. The role of technology. Does it help or hinder? Technology, particularly the internet and social media, has played a significant role in both the spread and refutation of the flat Earth theory. On the one hand, these platforms have provided flat earthers with a global platform to connect, share ideas, and disseminate their beliefs to a wider audience. On the other hand, technology has also made it easier than ever to access scientific information, educational resources, and expert opinions that debunk the flat Earth theory. Websites, videos, and online forums dedicated to debunking pseudoscience and promoting scientific literacy have become increasingly popular, offering counter-arguments and evidence-based explanations to challenge flat Earth claims. Section 10. Critical thinking and open minds. Navigating the debate. The flat Earth debate highlights the importance of critical thinking and an open mind when evaluating information, especially in the digital age. It's crucial to approach claims, regardless of their source, with a healthy dose of skepticism, and to demand evidence to support those claims. Blindly accepting information without questioning its validity or considering alternative perspectives can lead to misinformation and a distorted understanding of the world. Engaging in respectful dialogue, seeking out credible sources, and being willing to adjust one's beliefs in light of new evidence are essential for navigating the complexities of the information age. Section 11. Conclusion. The future of the flat Earth discussion. The flat Earth theory, despite its lack of scientific validity, is likely to persist in some form. The reasons for its continued existence are complex and multifaceted, ranging from distrust of authority to the human desire for simple explanations. While it's crucial to address misinformation and promote scientific literacy, it's also important to understand the underlying motivations and beliefs that drive such theories. Ultimately, the flat Earth debate serves as a reminder of the importance of critical thinking, evidence-based reasoning, and the ongoing pursuit of knowledge and understanding. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of information, these skills will be essential for separating fact from fiction and making informed decisions about the world around us.